It contains more than 3 anions and more than 3 cations as well as 1 interfering and 1 rare earth elements. So you have to identify the name of the anion, cations as well as the rare earths and the interfering by following the procedure which is already given in your book. So what is the first one? First one is the preliminary test. So preliminary test means nothing but the physical test. Means what is the color, shape, odor. These three are the only the physical test which we can able to see directly. అవునా ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూసిన వెంటనే అర్థమవుతుంది కదా మనకి. What is the color, what is the state and what is the odor. Odor means nothing but the smell. Okay. So next one is the solubility. So solubility means you have to test the salt with nearly 4 to 5 types of acids. So what are those? HCl, HNO3, aqua regia, as well as the dilute sulfuric acid, water. So you have to take the 5 test tubes and you take the mixture. ఎలా చేయాలి టెస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం? So take the mixture in a very minute. అంటే why? Because it is a semi micro analysis. First test with the water. So you have to add water in a larger quantity when compared to the salt and shake it well. So have you observed any change? Is it clearly soluble?
No.
Now, why? Why? Because all the anions and all the cations will not dissolve completely in water. That's why we will go to the another solvent. So here another solvent means we have to take dilute HCl as well as concentrated HCl, H2SO4, concentrated and dilute as well as the aqua regia also. So you have to test the solubility one by one. It is the water. Now you have to test for dilute HCl. So bring dilute HCl. Dilute HCl as well as the dilute sulfuric acid, dilute nitric acid. So all dilute acids. So just take a pinch of salt and add dilute HCl. పెట్టేసేవా ధబ్బని వేసి. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఇలా 500 ml ఉన్నప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా యాడ్ చేయొద్దు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇట్ ఇన్ టు ద 50 ml beakers first. So take the 50 ml beaker and transfer a little amount of dilute HCl and then add the dilute HCl to the salt. So here the solubility changes when compared to the water. Have you examined that? అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా మీరు? డైల్యూట్ HCl, వాటర్, ఈ రెండు సాల్యుబిలిటీస్ మనం చేసినప్పుడు ఏమర్థమైంది? డైల్యూట్ HCl, the salt easily dissolves in dilute HCl when compared to the water. So this is the test of solubility with the dilute HCl. Like this, you have to add the dilute HNO3 as well as dilute sulfuric acid and the nitric acids. Okay. Colorful గా ఉంటది ఆ బాటిల్, aqua regia బాటిల్. ఘాట్ వస్తుందా స్మెల్? aqua regia రావట్లేదు, వస్తుందా? రావట్లేదంటే వెంటనే వెళ్ళాల్సింది హాస్పిటల్ కి టెస్ట్ చేయించుకోవడానికి. ఇది కూడా తీసే, యాసిడ్స్ పక్కన పెట్టద్దు, తీసే. చీటర్ కాసయ్యా aqua regia స్లోగా డ్రాప్ అయిపోయిన బ్యాచ్ చేయాలి.